Hey everyone, Carla here with my mom back for another video, and today we're making you something very delicious, and it is
Fidellos horneados con salchicha.
This is going to be a oven-baked sort of casserole. So we want to show you, this is actually something that my mom has been cooking. And who taught you this dish?
Mi mamá.
And it's actually almost coming up to my grandma's birthday, so we're just gonna honor her and make this an episode in dedication of her. So let's get started.
¿Quién te enseñó tu estudio?
Esta es de receta de mi mamá. Esta me la enseñó mi mamá. Ahí tenía yo como unos 12 años cuando la aprendí a hacer. Pero yo le agregué un poquito más como la pimienta. Y los tipos de quesos son diferentes. Ahora vamos a preparar la salsa. Ahora tenemos la leche. Le ponemos, ustedes pueden ponerle cualquier tipo de queso que quieran. Yo le pongo cotija rallado, que es uno de los que a mí me gustan. Se puede mozzarella rallado, que es buenísimo. Y el Oaxaca también. Pueden ser 2 o 3 quesos. Ahora voy a poner las salchichas.
Okay, so now you layer on the franks. So now we're doing the final layer of the pasta with the sauce.
Ok, ya está listo. Ahora lo vamos a cubrir con el papel aluminio.
Okay. ¿Cuánto tiempo lo vamos a poner en el horno?
Aproximadamente son 40 minutos. De 35 a 40 minutos. En la parte de en medio del horno, porque este es conventional, en el centro. Vamos a ver que ya está hirviendo. Ahora miren, La salchicha está cocida. Tienes que probarlo. Un pedacito de queso.
All right, we are going to try some now. I love it. It was really easy to cut the. It's really easy to cut the sausage. It is piping hot. Piping hot. Okay. Everyone behind me is really jealous. Mm-hmm. So what I love about this is if you're like an eggs and weenies fan, or you love things like mac and cheese and weenies, this would be like, I'm getting it everywhere.
No.
Yeah? This would be like the fancy version of mac and cheese and weenies. It is really good. It has very good consistency. Like my mom said, it all really thickened up, so you don't feel like it's just like milky and creamy, just kind of everywhere. It's really consistent throughout all the different noodles.
All right, so we just finished the fideos horneados con salchicha, and it looks really, really good. I love that the cheese isn't like runny. Why is that? What happens?
Lo que pasa es que a la mezcla con la crema y la leche hace que se haga más espeso, que sea compacto y que se junte todos los sabores.
And as we said, you can try this with different kinds of sausages, so explore and have fun. So until then, buen provecho!